This Spinbrush arm and hammer pro, plus deep clean refills. Battery-powered toothbrush has proven to be a reliable addition to oral care routines. With dimensions measuring 0.89 into 2.13 into 8.86 inches and a weight of 0.63 ounces, this toothbrush boasts portability without compromising performance. The item model number 107668780000920 indicates the meticulous attention to detail in its design. First available on April 9, 2014, by the manufacturer Church & Dwight. Personal Care. This product has since gained popularity, evident by its bestsellers rank of #8, 690 in Health and Household, and #69 in electric toothbrush replacement brush heads. Notable features include its ability to remove 100% more plaque compared to traditional toothbrushes. This efficiency, coupled with its battery-powered mechanism, ensures a thorough cleaning experience. The product has garnered an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 4,947 ratings, highlighting its effectiveness and customer satisfaction.